Hi guys, this tutorial is to help you use Excel for the basic statistical analysis of your data and results. So let's say you have the following data and you wish to calculate the mean or average for this data. You're also interested in knowing the standard deviation to quantify the amount of dispersion of your data values. A large standard deviation indicates that the data points are spread far from the average value. Whereas if you have a small standard deviation, it means that they are clustered more closely around the average value. This relative standard deviation tells you whether your standard deviation is a small or a large quantity when you compare it to the average data set. So together, standard deviation and relative standard deviation show the precision of your data. Let's start with the mean or average. So you left click your mouse in the cell and start typing in the formula bar, starting with equal AVER, and then this average pops up. Double click, select the numbers, close parenthesis, and hit enter. So that's your average. For standard deviation, equal STDEV, and you find the standard deviation here. Double click, select the numbers, close parenthesis, hit enter. That's your standard deviation. And for relative standard deviation, equal standard deviation divided by average, and then we have to put all this in parenthesis before we multiply it with 100, otherwise it will just multiply the denominator, and then multiplied by 100 and hit enter. So that's how you get all three values. Now if you want to see these numbers in scientific notation, you can simply select it and change this to scientific. I hope this helps.